Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can fade in and out audio on DaVinci Resolve. So you're just going to go to audio transition. You can just choose which one you like because you can edit it later here. So for instance, you're just going to choose this one and you're just going to drag it to the audio, as you can see. And you can edit that here. For instance, you want it to fade in from 0 decibels to plus 3 decibels. You can also do it on the fade out, fade in 0, fade out, for instance, minus 3 decibels. You can also do that. Just play around with it until you get the fade in and out effect that you'd like. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!